Question: DS. If A, B, and C are integers, is A plus B plus C an odd number? Condition 1, A plus B is an odd number. Condition 2, B plus C is an odd number. Solution. Now we will solve this DS question using the variable approach. DS, 3 variables, question. Condition 1, 1 equation. Condition 2, 1 equation. DS question with 3 variables. Let the original condition in a DS question contain 3 variables. Now, 3 variables would generally require 3 equations to allow us to solve for the variables. We know that each condition would usually give us an equation each, resulting in a total of 2 equations, one each from condition 1 and condition 2. However, since we need 3 equations to match the numbers of variables and equations in the original condition, the unequal number of equations and variables should logically give us an answer E. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find whether A plus B plus C is an odd number. Although the question states that A, B, and C are integers and asks if A plus B plus C is an odd number, none of these are equations. Remember, to be an equation, there must be an equal sign. Beware of this type of question, which often appears on the exam. Follow the second and third step from the original condition. We have 3 variables, A, B, and C. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 3 equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide 1 equation each, E would most likely be the answer. This variable approach has been proven over the last 19 years. Trust the approach, and it will help you achieve a high mark on the exam. Recall 3 principles and choose E as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at both conditions together. Condition 1 tells us that A plus B is an odd number, and Condition 2 tells us that B plus C is an odd number. Adding the 2 equations together, we get A plus B plus B plus C. Or A plus 2 times B plus C is odd plus odd. That is, A plus 2 times B plus C is even. Since 2 times B is always even, so A plus C will always be even. Then the value of A plus B plus C would depend on B. If B is odd, A plus C plus B will be even, plus odd equals odd. And if B is even, A plus C plus B will be even plus even, which equals even. To prove this, we will substitute in some numbers. First, let's make B an odd number and substitute in A equals 2, B equals 1, and C equals 2. Then, we get A plus B plus C equals 2 plus 1 plus 2 equals 5, which is odd or yes. Next, let's make B an even number and substitute in A equals 2, B equals 2, and C equals 2. Then we get A plus B plus C, which equals 2 plus 2 plus 2, which equals 6, which is even or no. The answer is not unique, both yes and no, so conditions 1 and 2 combined are not sufficient. Wow, great! The answer is E because the number of variables is 3. It honestly is that easy. Both conditions 1 and 2 together are not sufficient, so E is the correct answer. When there are 3 variables in the question, it is most likely that E would be the answer. Therefore, always check both the conditions together to save time. Answer: E.